Director mochung'ne weche manyien kambi Marol Media Services Linus Kaikai okwayo jokanyo mantiere sekta mar somo kanyakla kod migao mochung'ne somo pacho ka mondo oket maino e somb nyithindo ma wuoyi kalore gi chidnade mathoth ma gisebedo ka gikale. Kaikai wacho ni nyithindo ma wuoyi bende owinjore ojiw sombgi mana kaka mago mag nyithindo manyiri ma osebedo ka ijiwo chakre higni mathoth ma osekalo. Kaikai osiemo nyithindo ma wuoyi ma osebedo ka tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji kojiwo gi mondo gikwep tiyo gi yedhego ne ngima maber mabiro. Kaikai noloso kama e nyasi mar chiwo mich e sikund yowuoyi ma Masi mantiere e kaunti ma Machakos.
Wazazi wangu, as I bring them on board, Mr. Kaikai, I want to tell you one thing. This school tumesimama imara for the sake of your boys. Hautatoka hapa na bus, hautatoka hapa na mjengo, hautatoka hapa na siasa, hautatoka hapa na WhatsApp, utatoka hapa na certificate ya kijana yako. That is what you remember Masifo. And as the chair of academic committee, academics is the only business I have in this school. Na tutapambana na hiyo vijana, acha nikwambie.
Kindly parents, those who have children who are not able to pay their fees, take advantage of our county's bursary fund and apply bursaries when the time comes so that we can have our students in school.
We focus on the boy child as a country, and this to invite all stakeholders from the Ministry of Education, county government, national government, school management boards. The boy child is going through a rough patch. And boys, I want to really discourage you. Don't do drugs. Don't do cigarettes. Don't do alcohol. We hope and I pray that you grow to quality men